Man, it's crazy windy here today. Hey, with the release of the Encore Essential, now the Partybox series has 4 of the second generation family members. I was thinking, I don't think anybody's done a video with all 4 of them together since the Encore Essential just came out. Why don't I do that? So we're gonna do that right now. So let's roll it. So, with the family all together, second generation Partybox speakers, we're going to start from left to right with the Encore Essential, then the 110, 310, 710. These are all plugged in, all bass boost off for this round. I'll play the first 20 seconds or so of a song and repeat that for each speaker so you get an idea of how each one sounds with the same exact clip. So we'll start with Pee Wee on the left, and then we're at 40%. That 710 is just a monster. Okay, so I'm going to switch these to bass boost 1 mode, and then we'll do 60 and 80% on those levels. So we're back to the Encore Pee Wee at 60% bass boost 1 on. All right, now we're going to go back to the Pee-wee and we'll go up to 80%. That's pretty good from the old 310. That 710 is just nuts. I mean, the 310, when you hear that, that's wow, that's really impressive. Then you hear the 710, it's like 710 says, "Hold my beer, let me show you how it's done." So there you go. There's the second generation family of the Partybox speakers. All of these are compatible with the new JBL app, which is excellent. And you can TWS any pair of these together. So you could do the Pee-wee with the 710, which would be kind of odd, but you can do it. Or you could daisy chain all of them. One of these days I might do a daisy chain video with all of them together. But that 710 is gonna like overshadow all the rest of them because it's just so loud and has so much bass. So like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this little video of the All in the Family Partybox, the new second generation. That's a wrap.